Welcome back. This is the second part of Lesson 3 in our HTML tutorial video series. In the first part of Lesson 3, we learned the common HTML tags used for grouping and sectioning parts of a web page. In this part, we will learn the common HTML tags for styling purposes. As always, we will have HTML page examples to help you better understand our lesson. Let's begin. Here is a list of the most common HTML tags that are used for styling elements of a web page, and that we will learn in this session. These tags are bold tag, italicized tag, strikethrough tag, superscript tag, subscript tag, and header 1 to header 6 tags. The bold tag is an HTML element used to apply bold formatting to text. It makes the enclosed text appear in a bold or heavier font weight. Here in our HTML example, the word bold is enclosed in B tag, which makes it displayed in our output in a heavier font weight within the paragraph. The italicized tag is an HTML element used to apply italic formatting to the enclosed text. It indicates that the text within should be displayed in an italicized font style. Here in our example, the word italicized is enclosed in I tag, which makes it displayed in our output in an italic font within the paragraph. The strikethrough tag, denoted as S or strike, is an HTML element used to apply a strikethrough effect to the enclosed text. It indicates that the text within should be displayed with a horizontal line through it, typically indicating that the text is no longer relevant or has been deleted. Here in our example, the word strikethrough is enclosed in S tag, which makes it displayed in our output with a horizontal line through it. The superscript tag is an HTML element used to display text or characters in a superscript format. It raises the enclosed text above the normal baseline, making it appear smaller and higher than the surrounding text. In our example, the 2 within the superscript tag is displayed in the output as superscript, appearing smaller and raised above the baseline. This is commonly used for mathematical equations, footnotes, or indicating ordinal numbers. The subscript tag is an HTML element used to display text or numbers in a smaller size and lower position than the surrounding text. It is typically used for mathematical or chemical formulas, footnotes, or any other content that requires a smaller, slightly shifted appearance. In our example, the subscript tag is used to display the number 2 in a smaller size and lower position, indicating the subscript representation of the hydrogen atoms in the water molecule. The header tags are HTML elements used to define headings with varying levels of importance within a web page. These tags represent hierarchical headings, with header 1 being the highest level or most important, and header 6 being the lowest level, or least important. In our example, header 1 is displayed with the biggest font. As the header level goes down, the smaller the font becomes. Let us now look into this example of a web page, where we use the common tags for styling. The first styling tag we learned is the bold tag. A bold tag is used to display text in a heavier font weight. Here in our sample HTML, the bold tag is used here. In the output, the text within the bold tags are shown in heavier font weight. The second styling tag we learned is the italicized tag. An italicized tag is used to display text in italicized font style. Here in our HTML, the italicized tag is used here. In the output, the text within the italicized tags are shown in italicized font style. The third styling tag we learned is the strikethrough tag. A strikethrough tag indicates that the text within should be displayed with a horizontal line through it, typically indicating that the text is no longer relevant or has been deleted. Here in our HTML, the strikethrough tag is used here. In the output, the text within the strikethrough tag is shown with a horizontal line through it. The fourth styling tag we learned is the superscript tag. A superscript tag raises the enclosed text above the normal baseline, making it appear smaller and higher than the surrounding text. Here in our HTML, the superscript tag is used here. In the output, the text within the superscript tag is shown in a smaller and higher text. The fifth styling tag we learned is the subscript tag. A subscript tag is used to display text or numbers in a smaller size and lower position than the surrounding text. Here in our HTML, the subscript tag is used here. In the output, the text within the subscript tag is shown in a smaller size and lower position than the surrounding text. The last styling tag we learned are the header tags 1 to 6. Header tags are used to define headings with varying levels of importance. They represent hierarchical headings, with header 1 being the highest level and is displayed with the largest font size, and header 6 being the lowest level and is displayed with the smallest font size. Here in our HTML, the headers are shown in the output with varying font size depending on their hierarchical level. We have completed our session in learning some of the commonly used tags for styling elements of a web page. Our next lesson will still be about HTML common tags. We will learn the commonly used tags for forms and data input. See you there.